Emotional intelligence is one of those buzzwords that sounds fancy, but often leaves people scratching their heads. Here's the truth. Emotional intelligence isn't just about managing your emotions. It's about thriving in every aspect of life, from relationships to personal growth. Today, we'll dive deeper into the 5 essential steps to mastering emotional intelligence. By the end of this journey, you'll be equipped with tools to navigate life's challenges with grace, connect with people on a profound level, and most importantly, build a better relationship with yourself. Step 1. Understand your emotions. Let's start with a question. How well do you know your emotions? Think of emotions as the language of your inner self. They're your mind's way of saying, hey, something's happening here, pay attention. But here's the catch. Most of us are fluent in ignoring or distracting ourselves from these signals instead of understanding them. We grab our phones, binge on Netflix, or dive into work to avoid uncomfortable feelings. As Carl Jung wisely said, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. Becoming aware of your emotions, naming them, and understanding their triggers puts you back in the driver's seat of your life. Pro tip: start small. At the end of each day, jot down 3 emotions you felt and what might have triggered them. Over time, patterns will emerge, and those patterns are the key to self-awareness. Step 2. Learn to respond, not react. Picture this. You're driving, someone cuts you off, and you feel a surge of anger. Your first instinct? Probably honk the horn, shout a few words you wouldn't want your grandma to hear, and stew over it for hours. But here's the thing. Mastering emotional intelligence means pausing before that reaction becomes a full-blown tantrum. This is where the magic happens. Viktor Frankl beautifully summed it up. Between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space is our power to choose our response. In our response lies our growth and our freedom. Practical exercise. The next time you feel triggered, take a deep breath and count to 5. Use this pause to ask yourself, what's the best way to handle this? You'll be surprised how often this tiny pause can change everything. Step 3. Build empathy. It's the glue that holds relationships together. But let's get one thing straight. Empathy isn't just about being kind. It's about truly understanding someone else's perspective, even if you don't agree with it. As Harper Lee famously wrote in To Kill a Mockingbird, you never really understand a person until you consider things from his point of view, until you climb inside of his skin and walk around in it. Actionable tip. The next time someone shares their thoughts or feelings, practice active listening. Put away distractions, maintain eye contact, and repeat back what you've heard to ensure you understand. This simple act can transform your connections. Step 4. Master self-regulation. Life is unpredictable. One moment you're on top of the world, the next you're blindsided by a setback. This is where self-regulation comes in. It's your ability to stay calm and composed no matter what life throws at you. Epictetus, the Stoic philosopher, said it best. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Practical tool. Develop a calming ritual for when emotions run high. Whether it's deep breathing, stepping outside for fresh air, or journaling your thoughts, having a go-to strategy can help you manage those intense moments with grace. Step 5. Turn failures into feedback. Let's be real, no one enjoys failing. But here's the secret. Failure is one of the best teachers you'll ever have. As Thomas Edison famously said, I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. That's resilience in action. Every time you stumble, you gain valuable insight that brings you one step closer to success. Pro tip. After a setback, ask yourself, what did I learn from this? How can I use this experience to improve next time? Reframing failure as feedback is a game changer for your emotional growth. Mastering emotional intelligence isn't about being perfect, it's about progress. Each step you take, no matter how small, strengthens your ability to handle life's ups and downs, deepen your relationships, and find peace within yourself. What's one area of emotional intelligence you'd like to improve? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing insights, and share this with someone who could use a boost in their emotional intelligence journey. Remember, the journey of mastering emotional intelligence is lifelong, but every step makes your life a little brighter. You've got this.